that Susie won the race. Sorry, Ben. Over here on the right side, it says types of sentences. It says, what are the 4 types of sentences? And then over here, it says, highlight this answer, or excuse me, highlight this and answer the question in a note. So I'm so glad you asked. So what that means is, I want you to take your cursor, your mouse, and I want you to highlight what's in red there. And once you highlight it, you're going to get, and I'm so sorry this is so hard to see, you're going to get a few options here. What the colored circle, and go ahead and do that so you see it on your screen.
Okay.
I want to make sure you guys can do that part real quick. Yep, so highlight that, and you're going to get a few of these options. And actually, can you hit remove note first? And then, okay, and then highlight it again. Okay, so you all have, go ahead and highlight it again so you have these options. So once you have these options, here's what they mean. These colored dots mean that you can highlight this area in different colors.
I'd put blue.
Perfect. The red, the A with the red underline, that's so you can underline something. This is like when you guys annotate an article, sometimes you highlight main points, sometimes you underline supporting details, or you just, maybe you highlight all things that have to do with, one topic in one color and a different topic in a different color. It gives you the ability to interact with the text on the page. Do any of you guys highlight notes when you're working with like articles and things like that? Or do you guys highlight paragraphs or things like that? Okay. You might find it helpful, and I'll tell you why. Because this has a built-in study tool right in the program. Because if you hit add note, you can highlight in whatever color you want and then add a note. And when you add a note, you might get, what happens on your screen? Click add, highlight that and click add a note. Because I want to make sure it's the same as mine, right here.
I did highlight it.
Did you click add note?
No.
Okay, try that for a second.
This is what mine does.
So if you hit add note, okay, it pops up right on the right side. Perfect, I like that much better. So what you can do is answer the question, what are the 4 types of sentences? And the answer should be right on your page there, underneath.
Simple sentence, compound sentence.
Yep, simple, compound, complex, compound, complex.
Write all that?
Yep, I want you to write all that in there. And I will show you why when you are done. I'm going to do it on mine as well. Okay, when you're finished with your note, you can just click off of it and it's going to minimize.
Do what?
If you just click off of the note anywhere else, it's going to turn into this little tiny square, right? And that's so that you don't always have to be looking at it, but it's there when you want to. Now I'll show you the built-in study tool, and this is what is so cool about this program, is that if you go up, and if you're in full screen, you'll need to go up to the top of your screen so you get the little menu bar. And if you click on the square tab here,
Doing that.
hold on, I gotta show you because it's hard to, it looks like a sticky note. So go up all the way up to the top because you're in full screen mode, and you gotta click on this little notepad. You see that? All right. Now you can click, wait, go down here. Now you can click study at the top left corner. Do you see that? Where it says study right there?